In this tutorial, I'll show you how to achieve this transition in Canva. Upload your images. For this, I am using 4 images. Now begin to reduce the size of the images into 4 places. Put a circle in between like this to serve as a guide. You are going to rotate this around the circle. So for this, you are going to rotate it to about 90 degrees. Then place the circle back, reduce the size, rotate this to about -180, rotate this to about -90 degree. Click on edit and then add shadow. Click on the circle, click the color and make transparent. Now select all 5 of them and group. We're going to rotate it to about -90 degrees. Increase the size. Just place it how you want it to show when the text is placed. Now write your text. I am going to have 4 texts. So you want to write 4 different texts and you are going to repeat the same process we did with the products. So this is -90 degrees. You're rotating it to -90 degree. Rotate this to 90 degree. Then reduce the font size. Rotate this to -180. Then reduce the font size too. Add a circle in the middle, just like we did before. Make sure it's centralized. Change the color to transparent and then select all 5. Group them together, just like this. Increase the size and rotate in the opposite direction. So for this one, by rotating it 90 degrees. Put in your other text. For this, I still want to reduce the text size because it's too big. So I'll make sure that once I reduce the text size here, I'll reduce it across the other text. Now duplicate the page, rotate this again, minus 180 degrees. Then rotate the text in the opposite direction. So this is going to be minus 180 degrees too. Duplicate the page, rotate again, then rotate the text as well. Make sure you cannot trace the other product. So rotating this minus 90 degrees. Then duplicate the page. Then rotate this one again. Now rotate this text again, repeating the same process. Duplicate this page. Now we want to add our landing page. So here we'll just put a text that says "Don't miss out" and then "Coming soon." You can decide to add dates here. So if you already have some dates, you can put your own date here, any text of your choice. Then duplicate the page again to put in where you want people to go. And for this, it is a website. Now you're going to click between the pages, click on transition, and then click the match and move. There are different transitions, but we're using the match and move. And you click apply between all pages. Then reduce the timing to about 2 seconds. Click apply to all pages. Let's do this again. 2.0 seconds. Then I want to change the transition here. Let's use a circle wipe. It depends on you. You can choose to leave it, but this is what I want to use. Then add a transition to the text. Let's go to transition. I want to animate the text using typewriter. Here I'm adding the whoosh transition sound. So if you want to add audios, you can just come on there and search for any, then drag and drop it. And this is what we have. Let me know if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Toodles!